Before starting the ether, just we discuss a Kolbe process, Kolbe method. In this method, when sodium salt of phenol means sodium phenoxide is subjected for the reaction with carbon dioxide at 125 degrees centigrade under a pressure of 4 atmosphere, then formation of OH COONA, sodium salt of salicylic acid takes place, which on acidification gives salicylic acid. In the year 2014, in JEE main examination, the question is asked that what happens when carbon dioxide is passed at 125 degrees centigrade at 4 atm pressure and the product obtained is subjected for acetylation. This is known as Coles process. On acetylation, we obtain sodium derivatives of salicylic acid, aspirin, OCOCH3. Now, we discuss ether. ROR, C2H5O, C2H5, diethyl ether. At first, how we define ether? Ether is defined as follows. Here we write alcohol. Here you write ether. When one hydrogen atom of alcohol is replaced by one alkyl group, the compound obtained is called ether. Means in simple word, ethers are monoalkyl derivatives of alcohol. Means when one hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by one alkyl group, the compound obtained is known as ether. Ethers are monoalkyl derivatives of alcohol. Second, here we write the formula of water. When two hydrogen atom of water is replaced by two alkyl group, the compound obtained known as ether. It means simply that ethers are dialkyl derivatives of water. Means when two hydrogen atom of water is replaced by two alkyl group, the compound obtained is known as ether. Next, here we write two molecules of alcohol. After removal of water molecules, we obtain ether. The compound which is obtained after the removal of water is known as anhydride. In simple words, ethers are anhydride of alcohol. And last definition is those organic compound in which functional group oxygen is linked with alkyl group to alkyl group which may be similar or different, known as ether. The organic compound in which binary oxygen is linked with two alkyl group known as ethers. Now we discuss classification of ether. हम ether का वर्गीकरण देखेंगे. In how many categories ethers are classified? Very first, symmetrical ether. Number two, unsymmetrical ether. Ether in which functional group oxygen is linked with two similar alkyl group known as symmetrical or simple ether. If the functional group O is linked with two different alkyl groups, it is known as unsymmetrical ether or mixed ether. Here we discuss definition of ether, then classification of ether. Now we discuss general method of preparation of ether, GMP. Very first, Williamson synthesis. This method is entirely different from Williamson continuous esterification process. This method is entirely different from Williamson continuous esterification process. Here, when haloalkane reacts with sodium alkoxide, then formation of ether takes place. When सोडियम अल्कोक्साइड रोना, जो बच्चों का मेन हथियार है रोना, reacts with haloalkane, then formation of ether takes place. This process is known as the Williamson synthesis. Example, when ethyl bromide reacts with sodium ethoxide, then formation of diethyl ether takes place. Now second, by the action of silver oxide over haloalkane. Haloalkane reacts with dry silver oxide. It should be dry. If we take moist silver hydroxide, then formation of alcohol takes place. 2 moles of haloalkane reacts with dry silver oxide and forms ether. Example, 2 molecules of ethyl bromide when reacts with silver oxide, then formation of ether takes place. Third one, by methylation of alcohol. When alcohol reacts with diazomethane, then formation of ether takes place. Here we discuss Williamson synthesis. Then by the action of dry silver oxide on halogen, haloalkane. Third, by methylation of alcohol. Here we discuss Williamson synthesis of Williamson continuous etherification for the preparation of ether. Williamson continuous etherification process for the preparation of ether. This is also known as lab preparation. Theoretically, it seems to be continuous, but this process is not continuous one. In this method, ethyl alcohol is heated with excess of ethyl alcohol is heated with concentrated H2SO4 at 150 degrees centigrade. Then in first step, formation of ethyl hydrogen sulfate takes place. In second step, these ethyl hydrogen sulfate reacts with second molecule of alcohol and forms ether. Theoretically, it seems to be continuous because sulfuric acid is regenerated. But in actual practice, this method is not continuous because in first step, formation of water molecule takes place which dilute the concentrated H2SO4, and second step, sulfuric acid is reduced into sulfur dioxide gas. So practically this method is not continuous one. After this, we study chemical properties of ether.